What is this called?
Robin.
What is this called?
Blue jay.
What is this called?
Cardinal.
What is this called?
Blackbird.
What is this called?
Bald eagle.
What is this called?
Barn owl.
What is this called?
Woodpecker.
What is this called?
Pigeon.
What is this called?
Parrot.
What is this called?
Butterfly.
What is this called?
Honeybee.
What is this called?
Mosquito.